Hello guys, what's going on? So in today's video I'll be doing a special tutorial on how to make gaming thumbnail using PicsArt on your Android device, which will look like this. And this video was sponsored by PicsArt. But before starting the video, make sure to subscribe and click that bell for more amazing videos. So let's get started. So first you have to download PicsArt photo editor from Play Store. The link is given in description. Now you can see the editing part.
To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Here we go.
Yeah, and we are done with the thumbnail. So make sure to try it and make more attractive thumbnails. Don't forget to drop a like and check out my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Stay creative.